morning mga sisi ko! Welcome back to my new vlog. Today, Saturday, sa bansang Bulgaria. Time check, 8:21 in the morning mga sisi ko. Nandito kami ngayon sa Pernik ng asawa ko. Nakakita kami ng parking space. Lucky though. Ngayon dahil sa, what the occasion?
Surva.
Surva Festival.
I don't know exactly what it is, but it's like
traditional festival sa Pernik. So, last year pumunta din ako, hindi ko kasama yung asawa ko. That time kasi wala pa kami sasakyan.
No.
Pero ngayon, kasama ko ng aking asawa. Yan. Kasi ko, nandito na kami sa mismong place kung saan gaganapin yung event. Pakita ko sa inyo. Masyado kasing maaga. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung big screen. Masyado pang maaga kaya wala pang mga tao. Usually, nag-start yan mga 9 to 10. Nandito tayo sa municipality mga sisi ko. Municipality ng Pernik. Is it right? Municipality of Pernik?
This was the municipality.
Oh, what about this?
This? I don't know. I thought it's the railway station. No? It says school club.
High Schools Club pala. Mali ako. Ito yung municipality.
This on the right is the municipality building.
Ito.
From the side. It's not the main entrance.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah.
Interesting. Ko, hindi mawawala ang food bazaar tour.
Well, there are not many people anyway.
For now.
But later it's full?
Yes.
Oh.
But usually Sunday.
Sunday?
So, yes.
When did you go the last time? Saturday or Sunday?
Sunday. Because Sunday is the last. Sunday is full package.
Maybe that's why you notice a lot of people. Because Sunday was the last day. Wait, careful. Maybe because the Sunday was the last day and they wanted to everybody to check out.
Yeah, maybe.
Check out things. Looks nice. I think probably for 2 people to eat. At least 30, right?
Ang sisi ko kaka-open pa lang kasi maaga pa. Mamaya yan, puno na ang mga tao.
Are we crossing here? Or no? We continue.
Later.
Right.
I remember this area.
It smells like Philippines. Man.
Yeah, that area mga sisi ko. Kumain ka. Diyan may lechon bakaw. I know, lechon baboy.
This looks like a theater or something.
Yeah. Turkish mahal ko. Ay, Indian food.
No, it's not Indian. It's just meat.
Meat.
It's garam.
Kaso maliit lang yung lechong baboy. Kebabche, kartopi. Different kinds of food mga sisi ko. Masyado pang maaga. Dito tayo sa bridge. So beautiful.
It's also a river.
Yeah.
Small river.
Up.
There are ducks.
Where? Yes, also ducks.
It looks like ducks. Yeah, it is ducks.
Yeah, it's a duck. Wow, it's beautiful.
They're eating something.
Kaya sisi ko. It's beautiful. Sisi ko, makita nyo ang ganda ng bridge, di ba? Maghahanap tayo ng makakain. Especially Turkish delicacy. I remember na bumili ako dito.
Turkish delicacy?
Yeah, we have here.
Nice.
Maghanap tayo mga sisi ko. Samahan nyo ako. I remember that too. Kasi ko nakita ko na yung ano. Nag-parade na sila. There's the first group. I don't know how many participants. Kasi ko nandito kami sa taas. Another group mga sisi ko. Traditional Bulgarian dance. Right?
Huh?
Traditional Bulgarian dance.
This is for all. One is Chinese. They present the Chinese. The dragon. Maybe they are not interested. Tapusan, uwi na kami. Pero bago lahat, bibili muna ako ng delicacies. Ito talaga yung gusto ko dito. Yung sweet. Ito. What
those ones.
I'm still choosing.
Huh?
I'm still choosing. Do you think this one is tastes good? How about this? What is this, Manko?
Caramel
Ano?